Police say Elliot Rodger stabbed 3 people to death inside his apartment before going out and fatally shooting 3 others near University of California, Santa Barbara Friday. KEYT reports of those 6 people, 3 have not yet been identified. The station obtained a 141-page manifesto from Rodger explaining he would begin his rampage by killing his 2 roommates. Meanwhile, the names of 3 shooting victims have been released: 22-year-old Catherine Cooper, 19-year-old Veronica Weiss, and 20-year-old Christopher Michael Martinez. All 3 attended UCSB. CNN got a hold of this surveillance video from inside the deli where Martinez was shot and killed. The 2 other victims were shot in front of UCSB's Alpha Phi sorority house, along with another sorority sister who survived. Police say 22-year-old Rodger was armed with more than 400 rounds of unused ammunition and 3 legally purchased guns. Ahead of the rampage, Rodger uploaded a disturbing video on YouTube saying he would punish women for not being attracted to him. Rodger declared Friday his day of retribution.
I'm the perfect guy. I don't know why you girls aren't attracted to me, but I will punish you all for it. I'll take great pleasure in slaughtering all of you.
A Forbes writer is critical of Rodger for calling himself the perfect guy in his video. Perfect guys are not the type who go mass murderer on a college town. Rodger's hatred of both men and women seemed tied instead to narcissism, jealousy, feelings of privilege, and the world owing him. Rodger only had 2 tweets on his Twitter account before he died of an apparent self-inflicted gunshot wound. Both of the tweets came during Easter weekend. One of them said, "Why are girls sexually attracted to obnoxious, brutish men instead of sophisticated gentlemen such as myself?" The other asked why girls hated him so much and had a link to a recently removed YouTube video. According to police, a family member was worried about Rodger late last month and called for a welfare check. CNN adds when police arrived, they said Rodger was polite and courteous, so they left. More than a dozen people were injured in Friday's violence, 8 of them shot. 4 others were hit by his car. A representative of a local hospital says 2 of the injured victims are in serious condition. For Newsy, I'm Jasmine Bailey.